Today we are doing a fun science experiment. It's called volcanic explosion. Now we are putting volcanic powder in the bowl. Wow! Yay! Now we are putting red color for the volcano. Wow! Yes. Now we are putting vinegar in the mixture. एक्सप्लोजन तो नहीं आया. See the explosion. Now we are putting volcano powder in the glass. Whee! Okay. Now we are putting red color for the volcano. Now we are putting vinegar in the glass. ये वाला अच्छा था. See the volcano explosion. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.